Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting all power, safety first. Unplug the brick from the wall and the Xbox, then wait 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. While it sits, inspect for obvious physical damage, smells, bulges, or frayed cords. These matter. Grab a multimeter and note the brick's rated output voltage on the sticker so you know what to expect later. Once done, you're ready to do a live voltage test and narrow whether the issue is the brick or the console. You'll now confirm the brick is the culprit. Set the multimeter to DC volts and probe the barrel connector at the brick's output. Record the reading with no load. Next, attach a small load or reconnect the console briefly and remeasure. A healthy brick holds close to its rated voltage steadily. If you see 0, big drops, or wildly fluctuating numbers, that tells you the brick's internals are failing. At that point, either open devices with screws only, or move quickly to install a correct replacement. Match the voltage, amperage, and polarity exactly, then plug the new brick into the wall and the console. Make sure connections are tight and the replacement sits on a ventilated surface. Power on the console and watch the brick LED. Solid green or white shows a good result. Flashing or staying red indicates ongoing issues. If problems persist, swap outlets and test the console with another known good brick to isolate whether the console itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.